be showing you guys how I did my Star Wars inspired makeup. I don't think I really posted much pictures of it on Instagram, probably like on my story, but I had worn some Star Wars inspired makeup and I went to go see The Last Jedi, and it looked really nice, but it was kind of rushed because we were in a hurry to go see it. We kind of got an early showing and I hadn't done my makeup, so yeah. But yeah, I was planning to be like a better version of what I was wearing that day. It was on Christmas Day when we went to go see it. Yeah, I remember. But anyways, yeah, I did Star Wars inspired makeup, kind of like based on the covers they had with the blue lightsaber, the red around it. But so those kind of like I did it kind of reverse with blue eyeshadow and like the red halo in the middle. So yeah, that's what I was gonna be doing. So yeah. Okay, so first I'm gonna be using this Lunatic Cosmetics contour palette, but I'm gonna be using it from like underneath my eyebrows. I'm gonna get like a little flat eyeshadow brush and dip it in the white and apply the white like right underneath my eyebrows. Alright, so next I'm using the Kat Von D's Alchemist Holographic Palette, and I'm using the shade Blue Sapphire. This is blue highlighter. I'm gonna be applying it with my fingers, and I'm applying it like right underneath my eyebrows. First, I'm starting off with this little Ulta palette I have. I'm using the shade Moonbeam. I'm using it as a transition shade for the blue eyeshadow, and I'm just gonna get that and apply it with a blending brush. And I'm just basically gonna put like all over here, and blend it, blend, and that's gonna be used for like kind of fading out like the dark, like I don't know, to make it like that's basically how I do most of my eyeshadows. I kind of like made them look smoky and blend it out, you know. So yeah, this is gonna be the first transition shade I'm gonna be using. Okay, so I totally forgot, but I put tape on my eyes. I kind of I like remember like right in the middle of like adding the last eyeshadow shade. So yeah, I put tape on there so that way you can get like a straight line. So yeah, I thought that would look cool. Okay, anyway, so the next eyeshadow palette I'm using is this Morphe 35B palette. Next I'm using this shade right here. This one is bright blue. I'm sorry, I kind of paused a bit because I was trying to decide if I was going to use this one or this one. Let me see, let me swatch them first, because like originally I had decided using that bright blue first, but I don't know. You know what, no, I changed my mind. I'm using this one first. Sorry, I probably should have swatched. I didn't even see that one until like right now. So yes, I'm applying that one with a blending brush. I'm blending it out into like what I had just applied. Next I'm using the Kat Von D Satan Cinder palette, and I'm using the shade Ministry, and it's like a sparkly blue, and I'll be blending that out into what I had just applied right now. Next I'm using this Morphe palette again, and I'm using this really dark blue shade right here. And I'm applying it with a little, I think this is supposed to be like a little smudging brush. I'm not too sure. It came with the Naked 2 palette, but it's basically a little flat eyeshadow brush. And I use this to apply like eyeshadows. I'm gonna be applying eyeshadow right here on the side and then right here in the inner corner, and I'm blending it out. Okay, so next we're using the Kat Von D Saint Center palette again, and this time I'll be using the shade Stigmata. It's this red one. I'll be applying it on my. I'll be applying it with my finger, and I'm applying it right on the center where there's no eyeshadow. So next I'm applying some blue eyeliner with this NYX retractable eyeliner. The shade is called Deep Blue. And I'm applying that onto my waterlines. Okay, so next I'm using the Morphe palette again, and I'm using a small angled brush, and this is for underneath the waterlines, the bottom part of my eyes. I'm going to be applying this blue eyeshadow right here with the small angled brush, and I'm going to create a little line right here. Hold on, let me show you how to do it. This is what I've been doing a lot lately with most eyeshadow looks, so I don't think I've ever done a YouTube video on this. I think I kind of did it in the Bright Face Night video. Yeah, I did it in the Bright Face Night video. And I'm just going to create a line, and then of course I'm going to apply some eyeshadow like right here underneath my eye. Okay, so my camera had died, so I kind of did a little more on this eye, which I'm doing this eye right now. But I kind of brought the eyeshadow a bit up on the eyelids up here, the red eyeshadow. It's kind of looking like Pennywise, I'm gonna be honest. But I was actually kind of getting inspiration from Princess Amidala, so yeah, I don't know. Like with her lips, I don't know. I don't know how to explain it, but yeah, I kind of got inspiration from that a little bit. This wasn't how I did my makeup the night I went to go see the movie, so, but I'm kind of changing it up a bit. I like it. I basically made this darker. I'm actually having problems with my eye watering now, so it's like it's screwing up my makeup like really bad. But anyways, so next I'm using the Morphe palette, and I'm be adding to this eye what I had just done over here. I'm gonna be using this next shade right here in my small angled brush. I'm using this darker blue. Oops, you can't see it. I'm using this darker blue right here, and I'm gonna do the same thing I did with this part of the blue and then blend it out. And then I'm also gonna add a little bit of black too. Next I'm using the Kat Von D Saint Center palette again, and this time I'm using the shade Stigmata. And I'm going to apply this with this little crease brush I have. I'm going to apply it right down here to basically make a line, no blending, nothing really. It's kind of going to end this side. Okay, next I'm applying Kat Von D's Trooper eyeliner onto the corners of my eyes. Applying mascara onto my top and bottom eyelashes. Okay, so next I'm applying Kat Von D's Everlasting Glimmer Veil lipstick. I have put tape right here on my lip because I wanna apply another color here, so I want it to be like a straight line, so that's why I covered it. I don't know how it's gonna get mixed up with the blue. I don't know. I kind of want that part to be matte instead of being sparkly. But I'm applying this onto my lips. I'm going to be applying Lime Crime's Red Rose lipstick, and I'm going to use a little concealer brush to draw in the little empty space right here, and I might bring the line down to my chin. Kind of like, I'm kind of doing something based off of Princess Amidala again, where she had like the red on top, and then it's just like all this is empty, and then it's just a red line, but I'm kind of doing the opposite of that, and I kind of want to bring the line down because I thought that looked cool. Kat Von D's Alchemist palette, and I'm going to be applying Blue Sapphire onto my cheekbones for highlight. So next I think I'm going to add 2 little dots right here, kind of like Princess Amidala again. I don't know, I'm getting like a lot of inspiration from her. I'm getting inspiration from her and the recent like Star Wars posters where I kind of like reversed the colors. Instead of it being like red and like blue in the center, it's just like blue and red in the center. I don't know if y'all know what I'm talking about. But yeah, I'm gonna add like 2 little red dots right here using the Lime Crime Red Rose lipstick. Today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video as much as I did. I had a ton of fun creating this vlog. I added some stuff, you know, I added some more stuff to it, like, I got like a lot of inspiration from posters and stuff like that. Pretty cool. So yeah, I thought that was cool. I had a ton of fun creating this look at this video. And also because I kind of pretty cool. The Last Jedi, I liked it a lot. I really like the little porgies. They're so cute. I do want to buy this. I really love porgies. So cute. They're as much as you want. I'll try to answer them all in the video.